Yeah, so whether it's a burst water heater, a burst pipe underneath the kitchen sink, or a just overflowing toilet, we can step in and make sure that the insurance company does what they're supposed to. So typically how we differentiate a flood claim from a typical covered sudden water loss is if water pools on a surface and gets inside of a home, if it pools on your driveway, if it pools on your lawn and gets inside your home, that typically falls within a bucket of exclusion that they will define as flood. And as opposed to something that's sudden, you come home and your kitchen's, there's water everywhere. While traditionally we're like, oh, my kitchen's flooded, you want to kind of avoid that and say, oh, well, there's water damage in my kitchen because you come home, a pipe's burst under a sink, and that's something that's typically covered. But if you attach the flood to it, that might trigger an investigation on the insurance company and might potentially lead it into denial if you use the wrong words to describe what actually happened to your property. Water damage that is covered could be potentially a water heater that suddenly burst, or a line to a toilet, or your refrigerator. Any of those things that suddenly burst could be covered so long as they're not dripping and repeating over a long period of time. Typical phrase words are sudden and accidental. Sudden and accidental is typically covered. Long-term and repeated issues typically fall into a bucket of exclusion for wear and tear and constant or repeated seepage or leakage.